Exercise 21A, question number 1. In question number, we are having some numbers. Then the first question is arrange these numbers in ascending order. Ascending means what? Smaller to bigger. So you can arrange this one, I think. Okay. Then second question, what is the range? So the term range stands for what? The largest number, the higher value. Okay. Largest number minus smallest number. So in the above data, as you can see, the largest number is 115, okay, and the smallest number is 52. So 115 minus 52, 63. So your range is 63. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 1. Then question number 2, represent the following data in the form of a frequency distribution table. This is the question number 2. In this question we have to represent the following data in the form of a frequency distribution table. So as you can see, the numbers are given to us. So first we will make a table. Okay, first we will write numbers, then tally marks, then frequency. You can interchange this one. You can write frequency here, no problem. Then tally marks. So now, as you can see, we are having some numbers here: 16, 17, 21, 20, 16, 20, 16, 18, 17, 21, 17, 18, 19. As you can see, this few numbers we are having here, and the numbers are repeating again and again. So the smallest number, as you can see, is 15 here. Okay, so the smallest number is 15. So we will start by 15. Okay, now we will count that how much times we are having 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times we are having. So our frequency is 5. Okay, so tally marks are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this table is your frequency distribution table. So like this you have to solve question number 2. One more I am solving. Next number is 16, I think. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times we are having. So the number 16 is 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. The next number is 17. Next number is 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so number 17 11 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So like this you have to solve. The next numbers are 18, 19, 20 and 21. Okay, so question number 2 you can solve. Then similarly question number 3, prepare a frequency table for the scores. The same table you have to prepare. Okay, then question number 4 and 5 both are same. So in question number 4 and 5 I'm solving question number 4, then question number 5 you can solve. Question number 5 I'm solving here, then this exercise 21A you can solve. Okay, almost all the topics I have explained to you. Question number 5 is the marks obtained by 40 students. The marks obtained by 40 students of a class are given below. These are the marks we are having here: 80, 10, 30, 70, 60, 50, 40, 20, 40, 90, 50, 30. Okay, so the first thing is what? The lowest number you have to find. So I think in this particular data, 10 is the lowest number. Okay, so the first number is 10. Then after 10 we are having 20. Okay, so the smallest number is 10. Now the greatest that we have to find in this data. So the greatest number in this data is, I think, 90. Yes, 90 is the greatest. So starting from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, then 70, 80, and the last is 90. Okay, so now construct a frequency distribution table that we are constructing now. Then number 10, as you can see, the number 10, 1, then 2 times we are having only, so the frequency is 2, tally marks 1, 2. Okay, then next is 20, so 21, 2, 3, only 3 times we are having. Okay, so 23 times, 1, 2, 3. Then 30, 30 is 1, then 2, like this you have to find. 30 is 3 times we are having, so 1, 2, 3. Next is 40, so find 40, how many times you are having 40 in this data. So 40 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times we are having 40, so write 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then after 40 we are having 50, so 50 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times we are having 50, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, after then after 50 we are having 60, so 60 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 60 we are having 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 70 we are having here 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 80 we are having here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times we are having 80, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 90 that we are having 1, 2, 3. 3 times, so this is 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is your first question, prepare a frequency distribution table. Now second question is, find how many students have marks equal to or more than 70. Now equal to or more than 70, that means equal to 70 तो इसको भी पिक करना है, more than 70 से 80 है और 90 है. ठीक है, so you have to write students have marks equal to or more than 70 equals to 5 plus 4 plus 3, So that is 12. 12 students are there. Then third question is, how many students obtained marks below 40? Below 40 means what? 30, 20 and 10. Simply add this 8. 8 students will be your required answer. Okay, so like this you have to solve exercise 21A.